Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki nohikai SSA ki bahapapo ka Shatri jong ka Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association mendagasngi ka khandro tarik no pra arajar pesau ki lapenlong ka jinga kenduk lang hamadan student jayau Shillong ban pensyai ha ka bede bat ki mat ki bagi nohikai SSA ki labu ka jingdawa sya ka Sorkar. Ha ka negasngi u president ka Meghalaya SSA School Association uba Aristotle Rymbai ula pensyai halor ki Phra Tylli ki mat jingdawa ni ki Jingmut ki balabu hakmat ka Sorkar nak benta bantawe ki polisi ha bede ba jing pen skam kam ya ki nohikai SSA ha bo gejela kini ki mat jingdawa ki bak MSSA kalabu sya ka Sorkar kilong ban pentri kam ya ka skim nak benta ki nohikai SSA ka jing pen kiu tulop ka jing pen jela ni ka karta thungkam ka retirement age bat ki we ulaong baki don ki nohikai ki bas nguthu bakla halor kini ki mat jingdawa dak baong baka jingdawa ka dei nak benta bantawe ka polisi thungkam hendai la besut penban de kini ki weipan ki mat jingdawa halor kane uba Aristotle ulaong bahapo kane ka polisi ki don shibun ki AKA omtang nak benta ka jingdawa bantawe ka polisi pen skam kam ya ki nohikai SSA uba Aristotle ula pen syairu begini ki jingmut sya ka Sorkar jela ki dei nak benta babaro ki nohikai SSA kinyo jingmen toilang
benta ka meeting kan pja jar ngong balai ngakli ki nagai kadaw kan long pja jong na pay your numbers the attendance of teachers on the 2nd of October compare with today it seems the number are less jong na pay your nohikai bawan shim benta sa general meeting kabala long hak atrik jong prai October jom mendau senem bat mendagasni ni bang ia duna mendagasni kadai kai ko bang ong ia kiba numbers does not matters utau number undon Jingmut AROM what is more important is ya kai kaba ni tre kenal today we come here not to show our strength ni wan hang ni menta amdei bang pedi ya kata jikhlain jongi lani kata Jingmut pa jongi ya ka Sorkar since the day we start this movement we are always with the ideology and that is we are here not against the government but we are demanding for our right Iwan hang ni mdei bang ipersya Sorkar mdei bang iwan hang ni bang ilek persya ya ke government ana iwan hang ni na benta bang dawa ban yo ila ka jong kahok kenau prano ikai sibe aba pio I bang yadon tangkam ni hang ni kenau kibadon shing kibom la banwan kibadon hajing kiboper kibo jingduai lang yang of the meeting of the first and the second meeting which we had with the government especially with the education department when I kublai Christmas but snem my basuk bakmeni people kinohikai SSA in advance I would like to take this opportunity to wish all my dear SSA colleagues, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Number 2, we from the Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body, we express our sincere thanks and gratitude to all the SSA teachers who present on the general meeting which was held on 2nd October 2024 at the same place. And it's because of that meeting as highlighted by our General Secretary, there are some positive outcomes from the government. As highlighted by the General Secretary, on 3rd October, we have submitted that resolution to the government. And on 16th October, the Education Minister have invited us for a talk. After that, we have got a chance to meet the Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma on 28 October 2024 2024. And on that meeting, the Honorable Chief Minister have assured us that he will call a meeting for further discussion regarding the grievances of the SSA teachers. At that meeting, the Honorable Chief Minister also informed the association that the government is committed and is very positive as far as SSA teachers issue is concerned. And on that meeting, we, the Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body, have requested the Honorable Chief Minister to also invite our SSA teachers friends, those who are in other association, to be there in that meeting, which he informed us that he will call for further discussion. And the Honorable Chief Minister also informed us that he will also include the Fourth Teachers Association to be present on that meeting. Pangasukmen ba nito ipi? Bahadin kajing kendo jong ipan Chief Minister on 18 November 2024. We had the first meeting with the Education Department, chaired by the Commissioner and Secretary of the Education Department, Sir Vijay Kumar Mantri. Which on that meeting, that is the Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body, the All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association, and the Fourth Teachers Association. All the three associations have submitted 8 points to the government to include in the policy for job security of SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya. As well, that there are kabawan nakikato kami kisos kibaong ba kaladon kata kajing persuto bakla ikinong hikay SSA bahana kamdon kanu kata kajing to ba kani ka scheme SSA kani ka financial support namata ka scheme SSA Cancun 31st March 2026 yang jonga Ministry of Education Government of India kalapa shabaro ki states and union territories in the entire country, which inform that the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs have given its approval for extension of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan scheme for the next 5 years, that is effective from 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2026. This letter was sent on 6 August 2021 to all the education secretary of all the states and union territories in our country, and it was signed by Kamal Gandhi, the Under Secretary to the Government of India. The second letter was sent on 16 August 2021. And this letter was also sent to all the secretaries of the states and union territories in India, informing them that the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs have given its approval for extension of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan scheme for the next 5 years, that is effective from 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2026. And this letter was signed by Manish Garg, who is the Joint Secretary to the Government of India. Why we have to clarify regarding these two letters? Because we want you all the SSA teachers to know that what we are talking about, we are talking with facts and documentation. Kaya kabang ikren harangkat bat kicing shisha, harangkat bat kikot kisla, ban saki, yaga kaba nging ikren. Ngim don hangni, ngim don por hiro ban pentame ya pi kinoy kaya sa CM. Namak ingin yo na kabangin pentame ya pi yong. Ingin yo. Kanai ka ai ka bangi ye tho shipi knoi ka SSA kanai ka jing shisha knang ba ngi ngin sutho ya ka ai ka kamram ka bangi dai manle. Why with the Meghalaya SSA School Association we put pressure to the government to come up with a policy decision pertaining to job security of SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya, because we understand time is very limited. Naman isutho baka por kalong kaba setang kinjit kan poy kada 31st March 2026. Nakataka daw on 2nd October 2024 unanimously we have taken a decision to put pressure to the government that the government should come up with a policy decision pertaining to job security of SSA teachers on the state of Meghalaya. That Meghalaya SSA, the demand for implementation of pay structure and also to enhance the salary of SSA teachers is also included in that policy. Kidan kini kijing keno kibalami haki social media kibalang hana ka Meghalaya SSA School Association kadawa naka Sorkar pan petskem kam yukino hika SSA balay pan menta kila kelaktin kila ong ba hana on sa include sa kita ki pay structure on sa include but enhancement of salary but kiway dainem day no hika SSA we hangiru yo badang don kibalang suthu baklaya kata hak atrik jong ublay October nila shim ya karay na kaway kusor ninong ba ngindawa na ka Sorkar ban wanray ka policy na bantaban penskem kami dailim day o jo kata ka policy ka bangidawa na ka Sorkar kiay badon hangta nadaka day tang banong ban wanray tay policy ban penskem ya kakam jongi kata ka memorandum which we have already submitted to the government which include 102 pages, it will be only a one piece of paper. Yes or no? In the memorandum we have include all the points which is needed for the betterment and welfare of the SSA teachers. Para ano hika SCB, habang yung banwan raya ka policy, ni hapan snoto, kidon shimon ki bandon hapo jokata ka policy. As already highlighted by our General Secretary, till today there is no retirement age for SSA teachers. You can continue as your wish. Kumba ang ubasan bor, in Meghalaya you can do whatever you like, it's your choice. Ngiro kino hikaya SSA hado mentamene there is no policy what yak retirement age lalong in shong tayo done. We can continue as per our wish. Kam kutang kata kang don shibon kiba ngi kum kino hikaya SSA himyo maternity leave from imyo directly kada ginang yo menta kalong indirect kaban hak granda ka school managing committee medical reimbursement nging imyo ka facilities pangin shiblon nging imyo tening day but shibon ki kibanging imyo to we from the Meghalaya SSA School Association all these benefits which we are entitled to get, we have included as the suggestion to the government, so that the government will include in that policy which at present the government are preparing for a blueprint. Got my point? Shai? Amend the Meghalaya School Education Service Rule. Kabanang kong kabang ibo na amen yakani Ikitu Jingmut toy kibangi day banyo ang mipi para no hikaya SSA ginom yo ikitu Jingmut toy nganom batay kay pagbenta bahapan amen ya kani namari kani ngin saya thir ya tay haki meetings ngina dem pan ya thir ya tay kini first second meetings bagi kani ka benta ngoi bisania hangi kinoy lam ya menta kampat day ka pore ni banya thu hakabay day pat kani ka suggestion ka panong kong. Number 2, age relaxation Kabangila dawana ka government bakan relax mo from 37 years to 45 years. Kani kabangila dawa na ka Sorkar. Hindi tangkatang yung ba? The government should give us a special reservation with 70%. The vacant post should be reserved for SSA and 30% should be filled up by direct recruitment. That is point number 2. And regarding this point number 2, regarding the demands from the government to enhance their age for SSA teachers so that they will get a chance to apply in government posts, the government have already passed in the cabinet, which was held on 23rd October 2024, and the notification was already out on 11 December 2024. But kani ka way nakajingjob ka ba nila yo? But it's very sad to inform you all SSA teachers, there are some SSA teachers who say that, we are demanding for a job security. How come Mssasa accept the age relaxation? Balay, Bapiti Sutu Bakla naman on 2nd October 2024, i-claim ito kita ki Phra ki points in details. Day. Ada nga ito ipimdar sgi ba? Kaway na gijingdawa jong iba ka Sorkar kan relax siya ka age bangin yot. Tepkam siya ki government post. Ka government kala de pass po cabinet at apply trik jong bray October araja aposaw bat ka notification la de permi kan way trik December arhajar aposaw. Hatungin day banyak hapti halwar jong kane. Kam kutang kata ang kinon ki para no hikaya sa sira kabuburom ki ong kanitin yo Jingmut tangkat tukan ni. Yes, only some of the SSA teachers will be benefited from this. We know as a leaders. Am I right as a GC member? Yes. We know that only few SSA teachers will be benefited from this. Yala tiplo pa batang kindian ki ban yo Jingmut nang ni. And then you know me piu tau khat arajar sans pa sam Jingmut. It is a very big number. Big numbers. But hapo ajo itai khat arajar sans pa sam Jingmut kino hikaya SSA ko mo ipimene. Don kibala qualified both MTET, DLED and there are also who have qualified all the NCTE norms. Donro kiba qualified but kunta tepda. So we the Meghalaya SSA School Association, as we have already decided that we will fight for all. Yes or no? Niya fight naman tajong baro. Nakatagadaw nila frame niya kani ka suggestion in such a way that all of us will be benefited at the end of the day. Habakut baro nginyo Jingmut. Ngim kay ban bishni ya gitu kibanang yo sakmat kata we want to be very clear that we should not be jealous to those who will be benefited first. We should classify the SSA teachers into 4 groups. Kihapan po ikino ika SSA hakisaw Tylli ki group lani categories. Number 1, SSA teachers who have been qualified in the MTET 2019-21 and in 2019, 2021 and 2023. Number 2, SSA teachers were appointed on or after 3rd September 2001 but prior to 23rd August 2010. Third, SSA teachers who joined after NCTE notification dated 23rd August 2010, who as on date required only the academic and professional qualification, DLED or BEd, but have not cleared MTET. And number 4, SSA teachers who was appointed after NCTE notification dated 23rd August 2010, who as on date have not acquired the professional qualification, DLED, and neither have cleared MTET. Pilaban kiliban tang anong ipikalong ba ano kata that the government will solve all our problems. Nataknang ihapan bu hakini kisau benda. Kebenda ke Bandungkong katu ke bakina rilak ki age kitu kibah kebenda ke Bandungkong kila yolat ban apply siki government post. Okay, if they pass the interview, they will can A na SSA, but can join the government. If they didn't clear the interview, they will come back to SSA. They will be with us only. Clear? Kailan na siya yung paling relax siya ka age kito kin na siya. Lalaki pass ki interview can join government, lalaki pass kin don pagli. Kabaan. Ikito kinong hikay SSA for those SSA teachers who have joined prior to 23rd August 2010. Kipa join ha na ni shwa jo ka polai trik jong ubrai August hajar shipeu. Those who have acquired the academic qualification and the professional qualification, but those who have not cleared the MTET. Clear? Tim sa siya shipet baleng ibu ya kalika benta. Those SSA teachers who have joined after 23rd August 2010, but those who have not acquired the academic qualification and also the professional qualification, and also those who have not passed the MTET. That the government should exempt us from TET exam for those SSA teachers who appointed prior, who appointed before or prior to NCT notification dated 23rd August 2010 and 29 July 2011. But palagi ya kinoy ka SSA kibala don lupa hakam naka MTET ikitu kiba join hala ni shwa ka arprai trik jong brai August arajar shipeu but hala ni shwa ka arprai trik brai July arajar katway. We have suggested the government to conduct a special TET exam. Number 5, we have suggested the government a part of MTET, CTET should also be taken into consideration for SSA teachers. Number 6, to come up with a special package scheme for those SSA teachers who are about to retire in the next 4 to 5 years. Number 7, to implement pay structure and to enhance the remuneration of SSA teachers working under Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan as per Meghalaya Service Revision of Pay Rule 2018. And number 8, we have suggested the government to maintain the pupil-teachers ratio, or in short, PTR. These are the 8 points we have submitted to the government, which we suggest the government to include in the policy pertaining to job security of SSA teachers. Shai?